Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. In this video, I will explain about Docker. So let's understand conceptually Docker. So suppose I am drawing, assume this is a Spring Boot application, Spring Boot app. Inside Spring Boot directory files. So I am added one Docker file. This is the Docker file. It is available inside my Spring Boot application Docker file. So this is my Spring Boot application. Inside it is Docker file is there, right? Then by using this Docker, what will be there in Dockerfile? Dockerfile contains instructions and environments details. By using this Dockerfile, so I will build a Docker image. This is the Docker image. By using Dockerfile instructions, I will build a Docker image. So this Docker file, where see, inside the container, this Docker file will be available. So yeah, so this like this. So this is the Spring Boot application. By using Dockerfile, by using Dockerfile, so let's save this post. This is the Spring Boot application by using Dockerfile instructions. Where will the Dockerfile? Where will the Docker image? So this is the Spring Boot application. Inside Spring Boot application, we are created one Dockerfile by using these instructions. So we are created one Docker image. Docker image we are stored into container. This is the Docker container. Docker container. Suppose let's remove the Docker. This is the container. So we have the Spring Boot application. By using Dockerfile, we have created the Docker image. This Docker image we are added to the container. So container. Let's understand technical way. This Docker container is created from an image that contains our application package as a jar file. Jar file. Jar file. See, this Docker container, this is the one container. This Docker container is created from an image that contains our application package as a jar file. This is the image. This contains our application as a jar file. Jar file. The image itself is built through a Docker file. This image built itself through a Docker file. So which provides step-by-step instructions for setting up both the application and its environment. By using this Docker file instructions, we will set up the application and its environment like base image. So if any copy commands, we are copying target to jar our Spring Boot jar file from target to this container. Export, we are exporting port to 8080 like that. So these are the instructions are in Docker file. So we are understand, right? So completely architecture of Docker. So let's read. So this is the container. Inside container, we can store the Docker image. So by using Docker file, we will build the Docker image. Docker file contain the instructions to build a Docker image. This Docker file we are added in our Spring Boot application. I'm repeating one more time. So this is a Docker container. Inside Docker container, inside each Docker container, one image will be there. By using Docker file, we will build the Docker image. So inside Docker file, set of instructions are there like base image or like export multiple commands will be there. So this Docker file we are storing in our Spring Boot application inside Spring Boot application files. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel.